Welcome to Miranda Detailing. Today's detail, it's a huge salty mess. Perhaps some of your vehicles look like this. Let's show you how to clean it and protect it. Let's start as always with our pre-wash stage. A thorough rinse and APC rinse will aid in blasting off the heavy salt and dirt particles. After the thorough pre-wash stage, we cover the entire vehicle in a thick blanket of shampoo. We're using AM Detail's Snow Foam. This super slick shampoo is designed to further break down grime and aid in a safe wash. At this point, you have two choices. You can let it sit there and dwell and then rinse it off and then continue your contact wash with whatever multi-bucket system you want. However, after such a thorough pre-wash, this is not really needed. So we proceed with the contact wash. As my wife washes all the top surfaces with a plush mitt and clay mitt to mechanically decontaminate the paint, we wash all the bottom panels with a separate mitt and clay bar. Usually the bottom portions are a little grittier than the top and require a more aggressive clay barring to remove the bonded grit. For the wheels, we're using Comica Green Star APC, diluted 5:1. It cleans well and produces tons of foam with our IK foamer. Both the Comica line and the IK line of foamers can be purchased at Car Supply's warehouse. Check out the links down below. After the final rinse, we towel the paint and blow dry all of the crevices and emblems. For the exterior plastic trim, we're using Stoner's Trim Shine. Now for the protection. We opted to go with the Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating from Turtle Wax. Let's show you how we apply it. We use multiple towels. Using multiple towels, we mist the product onto a towel and gently apply to a section of paint. We work it into the paint until it starts to dissipate. Now, depending on the paint and the temperatures, you may see some smearing, but don't panic. It's just the nature of the ceramic chemistry in the formula. We use a second damp towel and gently go over the same area to remove the residue and finish with a third dry towel. Now, this is not going to affect the protection you just applied. In fact, the damp towel is locking it in place and simply removing the excess residue. Repeat these steps all around the vehicle. We also applied it to all the glass, including the windshield. Next is wheels and tires. We use the Hybrid Solutions detailer on the wheels and Meguiar's hyperdressing for the tires. Now, enjoy the results. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's detail. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and that subscribe button so you don't miss stuff. And if you want to check out any of the products or tools for yourself, head down to the description and you'll find links to each product. I hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Take care.